My name is Melias and I'm from the south of Madagascar. I've been working with IEM for 2 years now and I'm really too excited to work with IEM to build the kingdom together. FUEL is the 6 weeks program, each a time for one Malagasy missionary and 4 missionaries to be partnered together, learning how to be missionaries and living as missionaries together in Madagascar. This is really exciting for me because we want to see more Malagasy missionaries and to see more people here in Madagascar to see the good news. Because Malagasy missionary is the best equipped to reach the people in Malagasy. When you come here for the field, this is what you expect. An adventure, you will see new things, you meet new people, you live very simply. You will understand the new culture, you see the animals that you never see before, you will go far away into the villages. And most importantly, you have a bigger understanding of the kingdom of God. The vision for the field team is to see Malagasy and foreign missionaries work together and to learn together and to live together so that the kingdom can advance. The FUEL program is unique because it's an opportunity for African and Westerners to work together. This is the way the mission should be in Africa. Our hope is that FUEL will be your first step in the lifetime of the mission.